All right, explorers. Do you remember in our select lesson when we were searching for tomatoes that were big and red? We looked at the trader's notebook and picked the tomatoes that matched those two things. Well, that idea actually belongs to a special SQL word called where. The where statement tells the computer the kind of information we want to choose. Let us look at our customer orders notebook again. Each row represents a customer's order. Some customers ordered small tomatoes. Some customers ordered green tomatoes. But today we only want orders where the tomato is big and red. So we write something like this. Select. From customer, orders, table. Where tomato size, big, and tomato color, chiaos, in red. This statement tells the computer exactly which rows of information we want to find. Now, explorers, look carefully at the star symbol after the select statement. That star symbol is written like this. The star means show us all the information in the row. So if a row matches our where condition, the computer will show us the customer name, the tomato size, the tomato color, the fish order, and whether the order was paid. In other words, the star means show everything about the customer order. Great job learning that. Now it's time for the fun part, the practice. You're going to try it yourself and see how it really works. You'll be interacting with Data Cruise SQL Tutor by sending in your SQL statements. Don't worry if you make mistakes. That's how we learn and get better. Ready to give it a try? Let's jump into the practical world. So explorers, if our table shows that Mama Remy and Mama Chica ordered big red tomatoes, the computer will return 2 rows of information. That means we should prepare 2 tomatoes. We pick the tomatoes and place them in our basket. Now when the customers return to the market, we can tell them, "Your orders are ready." And that is how select, from, and where work together to help us find the right information. Hello, great explorers. It's time to sing our favorite song, the SQL Song. Ready to sing? Let's go!
Select, select, what we need, what we need, what we need. Select, select, what we need from the table here. Where we choose the rows we want, rows we want, rows we want. Where we choose the rows we want, pick them nice and clear. Group by puts them all in groups, all in groups, all in groups. Group by puts them all in groups, neat and tidy rows. Having checks the groups we made, groups we made, groups we made. Having checks the groups we made, keeps the ones we like. Order by will sort it out, sort it out, sort it out. Order by will sort it out, A to Z or size. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer, let's all cheer. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer. We're data stars today. Select, select, what we need, what we need, what we need. Select, select, what we need from the table here. Where we choose the rows we want, rows we want, rows we want. Where we choose the rows we want, pick them nice and clear. Group by puts them all in groups, all in groups, all in groups. Group by puts them all in groups, neat and tidy rows. Having checks the groups we made, groups we made, groups we made. Having checks the groups we made, keeps the ones we like. Order by will sort it out, sort it out, sort it out. Order by will sort it out, A to Z or size. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer, let's all cheer. SQL, SQL, let's all cheer. We're data stars today.
Awesome job finishing the lesson. Now it's time for a quick quiz. This is your chance to show what you've learned and have some fun. Don't worry, just try your best and remember, every question helps you get better. Ready? Let's go.